What's up, everyone? This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
And today we're playing, I'm playing Tycoon 2. And my mouse is broken. That's just great.
It always is for some reason.
Yeah, and I did the trick. Hold on, we'll be back. Okay, we're back.
Oh yeah, anybody who's watching this, go down, subscribe to Nerdboy Studios and Landy Pandy 08.
Just like Landy Pandy 08 and like Nova Studios.
That's just selfish.
Dude, this guy's got a full, a trailer and a truckload of goldwood. Well, I have to redo this? Seriously?
Kind of like how I have to redo my entire sidewalk. Yeah, he called me before I saved.
Well, you texted me, so I thought you were...
Yeah, I was doing the split screen. Yeah, I put on iPad, so that's why I'm talking.
Yeah, he's on iPad. Okay, so we're gonna get lava wood. Well, I am.
Because my Wi-Fi is too slow, so I can't go on.
Well, nah. He can play. It's just his sister's on a voice call or video call, and we're not even using the videos.
Yeah.
So any video that Brian's sister is in, if you're watching on Mommy's channel, dislike it.
No. Wait to see. My phone sucks. Like, we want the best channel around, but you'll never get it. Because I'm still at the top.
Dude, I just forgot. I need. Oh, I don't need it, but it'll go faster. We'll have to drive up again, guys. So.
Please fly into lava.
Would be very embarrassing.
Which made me very happy.
Why? Oh, did you know? You guys know that Xbox players can play with computer players now?
They can? I didn't even know that.
Yeah, because I keep seeing people with Xbox. Well, I don't know. Actually, I don't think so. I don't know. Like the video if you like Planet singing.
I was not singing. I was literally just
Humming.
That's not singing.
Like the video if you like Planet's humming.
That's not humming. Guys, comment down below what that is. I need to translate it wrong. This is wrong. What's it meant by what?
Action music.
That's the opposite.
Oh yeah, maybe. Well, there's no actual singing here. What?
Yeah, checking on the website. Slade says that he's a pro YouTuber. Prove it.
I didn't say that.
You act like it. But you can't prove it, lol.
What is this kid even saying, guys? Okay. How am I new? How? Guys, comment down below. How am I a noob?
I'm a pro. He's a noob with his brain.
You already know what a stoplight is.
I didn't know what you were talking about. I thought that you meant like something from Flash. Gonna be completely honest, because we were talking about Flash, and then he just like I hate stoplights. I'm just like, what? I don't know what that is.
He texted me.
And then he sends me a photo. I'm just like, oh, a traffic
Like,
light.
look at this.
It's a traffic light.
Stoplight? I hate stoplights. So
light.
do you?
It's a traffic
I don't know what that is.
Comment down below traffic light or. I already know that's traffic light. So.
No, what? We just saved it. This is my strategy, guys.
What's your strategy?
Throwing the
Oh, the
trees.
same one that we used before.
Yeah,
That we always use.
yeah.
Just got the diamond axe again, finally.
Wait.
We
We landed it. Landon, we landed it. Landon, we landed it. We landed it, Landon.
I don't care.
Sorry for this noises in the background, guys. There's currently construction in at my house. So
See the video before that.
yeah.
Oh yeah, expect some Skyblock videos later.
Yeah. Oh, I'm also gonna post like 3 more videos, 1 more Tycoon videos today
We're just gonna try to make
because
as
I'm
many
gonna be
videos
gone
as
for 3
possible.
days. So
Although typically we don't make daily videos.
yeah, I'm trying to make daily videos, guys. Okay.
I'll try to help with that, even though he literally just told me. Like I literally just found out like right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, like who doesn't like? You were finding out as soon as I found out, so
Yeah. So
yeah.
again, sorry guys for the noises in the background.
Yep.
Might try a new screen recorder sometime. Maybe, guys.
Maybe one with a better microphone, or perhaps you could get a microphone.
Yeah.
Maybe that could help you a little bit.
Again, like also in the other video, tell me if you want me to make like another other series, but it won't be as like rapid as like every day as this series. So
I'm being very smart in Skywalk right now.
I didn't get much wood this time, guys, because I want to make, because I don't have much time to get the whole thing. Plus, my conveyor can't hold this much. Because it's a new conveyor, and I'm trying to get another plot so I can put my others. Oh, by the way, if you don't know how I got this truck, it's like from my old save. It's from that.
Yeah, I helped him out a lot with that. Because once again, I say he's a noob with his brain.
Well, I thought it would be cheating, but then I realized it wouldn't really be cheating. It'd just be Pro helps.
Like we already
Pro help him when he's a noob. That's what it was. That's what it was. That's what it was, guys. See, guys, this is what I'm saying. My conveyor doesn't hold this kind of wood. Like this.
But I'll help him out with that in a little bit once my Wi-Fi gets better.
When his sister gets off the voice call that she's not even using. Video call that she's not even using the video for. If she ever makes a YouTube channel, dislike all of it. Dislike all of it.
She's actually gonna see. I'm actually helping her make one, so.
Yeah, when she does make a video, dislike all her vids.
Although it's gonna be real life.
Yeah, still, just dislike all of them.
Actually, don't hate on her.
Okay, subscribe to her, but just dislike everything. Okay.
But please don't just spam in the comments like mean things.
He ruined Nobody Studios vids.
But she wasn't even in a bit.
Yeah, but she ruined it.
How? If she wasn't in the videos, how is that possible?
By you not being in the video. That's how. That's how.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't understand you. Can you guys please help me understand Slade? Can you just put in comments a translation of what he's saying? And
Okay, I got like no money because it was not in the conveyor. So yeah. So well, I hope you liked this video. Again, if Grace makes a video just like all her vids.
Wow. How humble.
Like our video, like this video, subscribe.
Subscribe to Landy Pandy 08.
Turn on post notifications, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.
Peace out.